Alright, good morning. It's Memorial Day 2020. Hope you're all having a good day off, and remember our fallen heroes that have given the ultimate sacrifice over the years for our country and our freedom. Alright, do a quick little walk around of our 2003 Honda Accord V6 Coupe. Alright, it's on its fourth set of wheels. First one's got sold and put aftermarket ones on there. Then car ended up in the ditch, cracked one of the wheels, couldn't match it, so I had to buy a third set of wheels. And then was driving down the road one day not too long ago and cracked one of those wheels, and so we put the fourth set of wheels on here now. So we went with black this time, and liking it. All right, one of the only modifications to the car, Tsudo exhaust. Got the little silencers or baffles in there, so not too loud going down the road. Not a whole lot of body damage, pretty clean body. There's just a few, probably can't see them, but there's a couple little ripples there. Not quite sure how that happened. Came back from deployment one year and that was like that. Aftermarket taillights, they looked cool back in 2003. They're still on there. Couple door dings here and there, but overall really clean body. Okay, front end, lots of rock chips from all the miles car gets on it. Looks like it's been sandblasted really. These aftermarket fog lights, do not recommend them. You can see the glass is cracked on them. They're not good. I'm going to try to fix that at some point. Okay, got the 3-liter, super reliable engine. Big fan of it. Didn't spend a whole lot of time cleaning in here. Anyhow, there it is. One of the only things I've done that's non-stock is right here with the engine bracket for the front motor mount. Ended up just drilling it out, putting bolts through there because I had a few of those strip out over the years. Got tired of replacing them. Alright, interior, got leather, black leather. Put the WeatherTech floor mats in here in the front, like those. This seat's from a junkyard car. The original seat, the seat back adjustment stripped out, the little plastic gear, so it's cheaper and easier to just replace the seat. Looks much the same as this one, except for the originals have perforated leather in the middle there. Back seats. Hardly use these. Have replaced the headliner. Honda went to this soft material, some thinner material in 2003, and just was prone to falling, so ended up having to replace the headliner. All right, let's go ahead and start her up. Okay, mileage currently 652, and all I did was pull the car out here so it's a cold start, so let's go ahead and start up. Okay, so no smoke out the back. Engine nice and quiet. Did replace the alternator recently. Alright, got 6-speed manual, love that. Heated seats. 6-disc changer, but I've added the SiriusXM satellite radio, and that's pretty much all I listen to. Alright, dashboard's really clean. Alright, car still gets about 30 miles a gallon on the highway. Nice and reliable. Been by far the best car we've ever owned. So, replaced other things over the years. You know, it's on its third set of struts right now. Of course, several sets of brakes. Although each set of brakes has been lasting me close to 100,000 miles. Several sets of tires, obviously. Batteries, just general things like that. Never any internal engine work. I've done the timing belts approximately every 105,000, like Honda recommends. That's probably been the key to it lasting for so long. Has had valve cover gaskets replaced and the oil pan gasket replaced, or sorry, oil pan was replaced last year. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for taking a look at the video. Hope you have a great day.